Here, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use server.pro. Server.pro is a free Minecraft server hosting device that you can go ahead and create your own server on. Unlike Minehut is a public server where anyone can join, but server.pro is a private server that you have to give out the IP for someone to join. Now you can go ahead and create a Bedrock server for obviously Bedrock players, and you can go ahead and create a Java server for Java players. You can also create a Terraria server if you want to, but for this I'm going to go ahead and do Java. The first thing you want to go and do is come to your search engine and type in server.pro and press enter. Once doing this, it should take you to a page that looks completely different to mine, but basically all you need to do is put your email and password in to actually create an account. You can go ahead and create an email, create a password, do whatever, but you need to put an email password in. Then it should take you to a page that says activate account and your email. So you need to go ahead and go to the email that server.pro has sent you, should be in your emails, whatever you're using, and go ahead and click the green button that says activate account. Then it should take you to the page that looks something like this. It should say create server at the very top. Now I'm presuming you're here for the free version of server.pro. In the future you can go ahead and upgrade if you wish. You can also upgrade right now, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to do the free version. You get a lot more options with the premium pro versions, but of course free is easier. So basically you choose a plan, then you go ahead and choose a location. If you're doing the free, you only have two options right here. I'm going to go ahead and choose France. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down, and if you want to go ahead and change the game, of course, like I said, Terraria, Bedrock and Java. I'm going to keep it on Java. You also change the type. I'm going to change it to paper. You also change the version if you want to. You can also change the host name. I'm going to change that to beetroot. You can go ahead and change that to anything you like. You can also change the dot whatever at the very end. I'm going to go ahead and change it to this. Oh, that's already taken. We'll change it to this. Okay, so now you want to go ahead and type in the green text that you see above. You can also see all the information you see right here. And then go ahead and press create server. It should take you to a page that looks again something like this, and you'll see, if you scroll down, you'll see the host name, IP address, and you can go ahead and change the server icon. You also change all the properties right here, the game mode, difficulty, PvP, and you can't change the max players. Well, you can, but you can't go above 10 players if you've got the free version. Again, you can go ahead and upgrade right here. As it says, it will always say in orange, as you can see right here. Also change all of this if you want to. I'm not going to go into everything on the left side of this panel right here, but I am going to go through some of the things that you can go ahead and do. First thing I recommend going to do is come to your console. So say you're on dashboard, just press on console on the left right here, and type in op and then your name. Now you don't type slash, you just type op and then your name. Now I'm going to go through players. So if you see over here, you'll click on players and you'll see that it takes you to the online panel, and basically that means you can see whoever's online. You also see the operators, and that is me because I haven't got anyone else operated, but you can also see that you can add an operator just by here instead of in game if you're offline. Then you can go ahead and see the whitelists. You can go ahead and disable or enable, so if your server's private or not. You can also see the ban list where anyone's banned. You can go ahead and add a ban player or add an IP ban if you want to. You can go ahead and do that. Now we're going to go ahead and go into the plugins. We'll go ahead and click on the plugins panel right here. You can go ahead and just scroll down, look at some plugins. You can go ahead and come across these pages. These are one of the popular plugins right here. You can go ahead and updated ones, name or popularity, like I said. You can also search plugins right here. So say search in Economy Shop UI. You'll see that it comes up right there. But for this example, I'm going to go ahead and download Set Home. So all you have to do is install latest, and it should pop up with a message right here. We have to reset the server to actually make this plugin come to your server. I do want to also say something like Economy Shop GUI isn't working, or Vault, or anything like that. That's because it is not updated to the latest version, which is 1.18.2 at this minute. So you have to go ahead and downgrade that to around 1.17. So just know if it's not working, then it's not the server or the server hosting, it's just the plugin. So like I said, it said restart, so we're going to go ahead and restart. I do want to also add, if you're changing server icon, you're going to have to restart too. Anything you change, you're going to have to restart the server. You'll see that it's restarting by the top right here. You also see all the resources right here. As you can see, it has 1 GB and it has 5 gigabytes of disk and 1 gigabyte of memory, and then the CPU you'll see right here, and everything will come up here once you've reused everything. So now we've restarted, you can go ahead, like I said, just push restart to restart it. Power off, you can go ahead and just power off right here, then you can go ahead and force stop, and then it'll just stop it off and stop it automatically, and it'll say offline. To turn it back on, all you have to do is press power on. I'm going to go ahead and go through the worlds too, so you go ahead and press on worlds. You can go ahead and change the world name of the world if you want to, the level type, and you can go ahead and change if you want generated structures, level seed, and you can also upload data packs. All you have to do then is create world. You can also see below that it says create a new world will cause your server to restart and generate a new world, meaning that all your progress will be lost if you have actually done any progress inside the world. Now you may be wondering what it means by expires in 56 minutes. Now by that, it means that the server is going to go down and you have the choice of deleting the server or renewing it. Now what it means by renew, like I said, is the server is just going to stop completely and you have to go ahead and renew it. Now to renew it, all you have to do is press the blue text which says renew, and go ahead and type in the green lettering you see above. And go ahead and press renew, and you'll see it goes back up to 1 hour. And that's basically it. Go ahead and go back to the dashboard, you can go ahead and come back here, but to go ahead and actually get the server into your multiplayer, all you have to do is press copy on the IP address and go into Minecraft. Also, if you don't know what a server icon is basically this right here. So the practice building is basically just that icon right there. So to add a server, obviously to add it into your server list, just press add server, Control V the IP into there, press done, scroll down and join. And now you're in your own little world. Now I do want to say you probably want to test other plugins as well as using them, of course. Now to actually test, I forgot about this, but to actually test if your plugins are actually there, you want to go ahead and press on plugins and installed, and you'll see the plugin right there. Yeah, go ahead and test all the plugins if you want to. You can also do /plugins to see all the plugins that are there. And then, yeah, just test all the plugins. Okay, so hopefully you've enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You don't have to, because I know how annoying it is when people do ask. I also do want to say, hopefully this did help you. If you have any problems, let me know down in the comments, because I'm always there to help. It may take me a little bit to reply to all of them, but if you do have any problems or you need anything to be helped with, then I'm there and I will try help you. So yeah, I'll see you next video. Bye!